Okay, ready? Today we're making the Maker Machines guy jealous because we're making the fastest cocktail show you've ever seen!
Yes!
I'm ready! Welcome to Coffee and Cocktails! That's
Ian! I'm Dan! This is Derrick! And we are gonna make you a cocktail with gin today!
In record time.
Holy shit.
What
is going on?
We're going
It's
fast.
a Floradora.
This is called Floradora. The cocktail contents contain 1.5 inches of gin.
1.5 inches.
Just about, actually.
Oh, he was just talking about Valentine's Day. So 1.5 ounces of gin.
What?
A half ounce of raspberry liqueur.
Yep. Half ounce.
Half ounce of fresh lime juice.
Yep.
And 4 ounces of ginger ale.
What is...
I'm gonna lean on you. Why don't you pour that?
So we're gonna pour it all in.
Like a fucking maniac. And then we're gonna chop.
Oh.
Oh, you just spilled in the glass?
You just build in the glass. It's simple and easy.
Yeah, pour it in a highball glass. Top of ginger
So
ale.
this gin,
Lime wedge. Ooh, yeah.
we did a review on.
Should I put the review out first? If I put the review out, my fingers are going to point to where the review will be.
Yeah, it's gonna be here.
I got to remember to do that.
Look at this. Camera picture.
Whoa, holy
Did
shit.
you already?
That record time.
What?
Holy shit.
Taste it.
Boom.
I can't,
That's good.
What?
What do you think?
I think you need to put it here for half a second so I can get a good
sparkly.
spoon grab.
That's pretty tasty. It's a little bitter.
Tastes like a smart.
Got a little sour.
What are
Got a
those
little
smart
thing.
farts? Look, what are
It's
those
like a
things
nerd's
called?
candy. Smarties.
Smarties.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like Smartie.
No, it tastes like a Spree. It does, doesn't it?
That's it.
It's like a sour. It's like when you put like a red Spree and a yellow Spree in your mouth at the same time.
Yeah.
That's ultra specific.
Well, so is the drink flavor.
That sounds like something I would say.
You fucking nailed it.
Every
does.
You fucking nailed it.
That was
Done. Show's over.
All right, so
Thanks for coming.
I'm done.
2020, 20%
It's not
off,
any better
3-8.
than that.
Buy some fucking glasses. Don't be an idiot.
No.
Yes.
It's like a Spree.
Yes.
Tastes like a Spree.
Tastes like a Spree.
Thanks for watching the show.
Got it.
Discount codes for
2020.
until 3/8 to 2020
Buy something. We're here to teach you to drink.
in inches.
Shake it.